Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all December diet plan challenge for weight loss in which we'll aim to lose approximately 10 kgs in 30 days very quickly. Now this is a 30 days weight loss challenge which my clients loved following because they want to lose the weight very quickly and hence the results are here. You can also join this challenge that we are starting in December and definitely achieve your weight loss goals. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan created from me, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number which is 6284306822 or directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp directly and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with 30 days December weight loss challenge in which we'll lose 10 kgs in 30 days very easily. And here are the rules that we'll follow daily for 30 days of this challenge. No sugar, no maida, no fried food, no packaged snacks, 3 liters of water daily, 10,000 steps or 45 minutes of walk every day. Dinner before 8 p.m, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of ghee daily. It improves your digestion. Only 1 tea or coffee per day, not more than that. And 1 soup every single day. And hence, let's start with the diet plan. Early in the morning, empty stomach, you're supposed to have a diuretic water which can be either of these two options. You can either have ginger turmeric tea which is basically prepared with ginger, turmeric, black pepper powder and 1 lemon wedge. Boil it all together and have it sip by sip empty stomach. This works as a miraculous drink for fat cutting. At the same time also helps with your water retention and bloating to reduce. Second option is if you cannot have this, and you can always have ajwain jeera water. Boil 1 teaspoon of ajwain or jeera or both of these together and have it sip by sip empty stomach. This really helps you with reducing your water retention, swelling, bloating, PCOD, PCOS and postpartum weight loss as well. So do try out these options for your early morning drink. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. Of course it has to be high in protein but great for weight loss in every manner possible. The first option is which is loved recently by all of my clients and they want to have it every single day because this smoothie has turned out to be miraculously amazing for keeping you fuller for the longer time of the day and works amazingly well in winter season. All I've done here is in a blending jar I'll be adding banana, curd, you can use Greek yogurt or homemade curd or even replace it with milk, peanut butter, cinnamon and some chia seeds. Mix it all together, blend it all together and your tasty and delicious smoothie is ready. Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now let's proceed towards our second option for breakfast which is again high in protein and great for weight loss. If you want to have something savory in the morning and definitely looking for better options, there is nothing better than having eggs in the morning itself in winter season. They work amazingly well for protein intake and great for weight loss as well. You can have 2 to 3 egg whites omelette prepared in a vegetable form, make it more fuller of fiber intake. Add onions, tomatoes, capsicum, bell peppers, mushrooms, corns, peas, whatever you want to add to your omelette to make it much more fuller and fiber rich. Have it along with cup of green tea, peppermint tea or black coffee or black tea as per your own choice and fulfill your protein intake of the day. Second option is also for all of those who cannot have eggs in the morning, then you can always replace their breakfast with no bread sandwich. The complete recipe is shared on my channel which requires very minimal ingredients. All I've done here is taken the besan batter which you would normally take for the besan chila. You can always replace it with oats chila's batter also as per your own choice. Along with that I'm adding here paneer filling to this. You can always replace the filling with soya as well and make it much more fuller in every single manner. High in protein, low in carbohydrates and trust me, have it along with some green chutney or mint chutney as per your own preference and you will fall in love with this recipe. Have it along with green tea, peppermint tea, black coffee as per your own choice and you're good to go for the entire day of your breakfast. And now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. For this I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is in winter season you can always have vitamin C rich fruits. The first option is of course orange, guava. These are readily available fruits in the winter season. So try to indulge yourself into this at 11 a.m. snack. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always have coconut water. Fresh, locally sourced coconut water is always miraculously amazing to have during your winter season diet. So you can have that in place of fruit as well. And now we'll proceed towards our lunch option for this diet plan. Now lunch for this diet plan will keep super easy and super simple as well because we have to lose weight no matter what happens. So I'll be giving you options which are low in carbohydrates, high in protein and great for weight loss as well. My clients have been following these lunch options from past 2 months now and the results have been amazingly well. The first option is you can have or carry for your lunch is vermicelli. I've shared the complete recipe of vermicelli which is prepared with lots and lots of vegetable options so you can indulge into that. Add peanuts to it, add readily seasonally available vegetables to it, less of vermicelli, have it along with green chutney or mint chutney as per your own choice and trust me, you will fall in love with this lunch recipe. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Second option is, if you cannot have this and you are a rice lover, so you can always indulge yourself into this recipe of brown rice pulao. The complete recipe is shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients. I'm adding here lots and lots of seasonal vegetables, so you can add whatever is available at your place. Brown rice in place of white rice, and trust me, the recipe is super easy to make. It takes hardly 10 minutes to prepare this recipe, and you can even carry it along with yourself into lunch. Have it along with bowl of curd, raita, salad, and you're good to go for the entire day of your carb intake as well. And the third and the last option is for all of those who are looking for some yummy winter salads. I've shared the complete recipe of my kebab salad, which is high protein kebabs turned into salad or chaat form. The two options are available. You can pick as per your own choice, and trust me, these kebabs can be meal prepped, stored in the refrigerator prior, and always you can use them while just preparing your recipes. So you can prepare this kebab salad or kebab chaat recipe, and do let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. This meal of course plays a huge role because you tend to feel hungry during your winter season during this time, so you can always indulge yourself into two snacks. First is of course a cup of tea or coffee if you like having it so, but no sugar to it at all of any kind. You can always indulge yourself into roasted makhana. Roast the makhanas with some ghee and some black pepper powder, no salt over it of any kind, and you're good to go for your vitamin K, E and calcium rich snack. Second option is, if you don't have this, then you can always have some roasted chana along with it, but make sure again they're unsalted in nature. You can have approximately 20 to 30 grams of roasted chana or makhana as per your own choice, with either black tea or black coffee, or normal tea or coffee without any sugar, or green tea, peppermint tea as per your own choice. And now let's proceed towards our dinner options for this diet plan, which can make or break your diet. This dinner option is the only thing which is, if followed A to Z, plays 90% of your diet's role into it, which makes your weight loss super easy. So you can have either of these three options for your dinner. So no chapati, no rice, no carbs for your dinner as much as possible. So we'll be having either soup. I've shared lots and lots of soup recipes on my channel, so you can indulge yourself into moong dal soup, tomato zucchini soup, all veggie soup, and along with that have some roasted paneer or tofu or chicken, or you can even have 2 boiled eggs along with it. So you can make this as a high protein meal with adding these options for your grilled items or tandoori items along with soup, but make sure to add no carbohydrates to it of any kind. Second option is, you can have, if you don't want to have this option, then you can always indulge yourself into having a glass of big warm healthy milk. Turmeric milk really plays important role in immune system as well, and trust me, it keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. So you can have that along with 1 apple or any fruit of your own choice for dinner, and this satiates you like really well, and you definitely see a number going lower on the scale every single time you have this for dinner. So you can have these options for your dinner and see the weight loss happening yourself. And now let's proceed towards our post dinner drink, that is basically the bedtime drink. Now this is basically which you can have before going to bed. You can either have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which works amazingly well for immune system, metabolic rate of the body, and also people suffering from insomnia or no sleep habit at night. Do try out this tea and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about these results. Second option is, if you cannot have this, then you can always have either turmeric tea, or you can even have ajwain jeera water in place of it. Works similar manner, great for water retention, swelling, bloating of any kind, and trust me, the results of postpartum weight loss with these teas have been amazingly well. And with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, to help you with detoxification, bloating, and to see the results happening yourself with your skin benefits as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com, or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or you can directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be connecting with you to start your weight loss journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon for more content like this. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.